What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is ASAS Pixel Studio. So in today's tutorial I'll be showing you the pre and post retouching step, the basic pre step you need to take when retouching and post retouching step you need to take, or technique when retouching. So let's dive right into it. Now I'm going to be using this image, but before then let's observe what's wrong with the image. And if you check below our neck, you're going to see this yellow color, and mostly some places are saturated like this and here, and some places are red. We have red, but she put on light makeup except for her lips. Okay, so now it's very important that you blend these colors before doing any other further adjustments on the texture and the skin color. And so for us to do that, we're going to grab the hue and saturation adjustment layer. So I'm going to grab the hue and saturation adjustment layer, pick on the hand tool, and then I'm going to click on this part of our face that's looking different. Now I want to achieve this type of color on our lips, this where I'm hovering my mouse on. So I want all our skin color to look like that. So since I picked this place where I want to correct, I'm going to increase the hue so as to pick points where I want. So now you can see that some places are green, and like I said, this side which is saturated, so all those places represent sides that are saturated. So we are dealing with saturation right now. So I'm going to try to move this slider till I get focus more on those places. So something like this. Let's focus more on it. Okay, I said the red. First of all, let's start with the red part. So I'm going to start with the red part. Let's take it forward a bit. Okay, so now I can make this 0. So while making all this place that are green appear like this side. Okay, so make this place 0. And I'm going to take it up so till appear like that. So don't take it too forward, just when you start to see the same uniform color. So I'm going to make it look like this, and then I'm going to close it. So now let's grab the brush tool, and I'm going to erase it from where we don't want it to be. Alright, so I removed it from the lips, and we have it just on the face. So we have before and after. So I'm just going to remove it from this side, so we need it out of the way. Alright, so now I'm going to grab another one, hue and saturation, and this time around I'm going to focus more on the saturation. So let's go ahead and take this up. Sorry, let's reset, pick on the hand tool, and I'm going to focus on this color. So take it up, and now I'm just going to increase the slider till I get the selection of those places. So we have it like this. Let's take it backward and see where we can get. Okay, so let's take it forward then, and there we go. Alright, so now I'm going to make this 0 and then decrease the saturation. So something like this. So we have before and then after. Alright, so there are some others you can do. I'm going to grab another hue and saturation, and then go to select color range. I'm going to select this color range, hold down shift and select more of those color, and increase the fuzziness. So we have that side, and sometimes I just want to select this one as well and bring it backwards a bit, and it's okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and decrease the saturation of those places, and sometimes I can mess around with the hue, but let's make it 0 and make the saturation like this, and let's see before and after. Okay, so now we are good to go. So shift Ctrl and E. So with this you can go ahead and create the solid color adjustment layer. It's okay, turn it off, double click on it and select the eyes, and it's okay, turn it back on, change the blend mode to divide, and I'm gonna increase it all the way up to have it like this. So we have this our new image. Okay, so if it's too bright, you can always go ahead and change it. Now once you have that done, I'm gonna go inside again and take it up. So we have this one. So let's whiten the eyes. I'm gonna use the let's use the photo filter and choose the cool warming look, and then I invert the mask, grab the brush to make the foreground color white, and I'm going to paint on the eyes like this to make it whiter. And let's see, so we have before and after. So you can also use the saturation tool, but I'm going to leave it like this, and I'm going to create a stem visible layer, and for this I'm going to do my frequency separation. So when you do your frequency separation, everything becomes easy. So thank you guys.